Let Vestil Manufacturing take care of your heavy lifting for you with our Jibs and Gantry Cranes. Vestil Manufacturing sells many overhead lifting tools. Vestil's Gantry Cranes come in many different sizes and are portable. They pair nicely with one of our Hoist centrales. Our Power Lift Jib can be mounted to the floor or to a truck bed. It has several different extensions and folds down to a minimal size. The Hitch Crane made by Vestil Manufacturing is great for anyone moving large objects in or out of their truck bed. The Hitch Crane does not require any beforehand modifications. Vestil's engine crane hoist works well in a number of mechanical settings. Everything from setting an engine back into its original position or pulling one out. It can handle the job. Please visit Vestil.com to download our catalog or browse through our other Jibs and Gantry Cranes. We're Vestil Manufacturing. We've got it.